Hello and welcome to today's episode. I'm your host, Clara, and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today, we're diving into a vital topic for any business operating online: payment gateway integration, a true game changer when it comes to driving e-commerce success. To help us break this down and really understand what goes into it, I'm joined by our expert guest, 𝐤𝐬𝐰𝐰, a seasoned fintech strategist with hands-on experience in building secure and scalable payment systems for websites and mobile apps. 𝐤𝐬𝐰𝐰, it's great to have you on the show.
Thanks for having me, Clara. Excited to share insights and help demystify how payment gateways work and why they're so critical today.
Perfect. Let's start with the basics. So 𝐤𝐬𝐰𝐰, what's driving the rise of e-commerce in 2025?
According to a recent Statista report, e-commerce sales are projected to hit $432 trillion in 25. A huge contributor? Online payment systems. They're transforming how businesses collect payments and manage transactions globally.
What exactly is a payment gateway, and how does it work?
A payment gateway is a technology that securely processes online payments. Here's a quick breakdown. Customers enter payment info at checkout. The gateway encrypts and sends it to the payment processor. The processor requests authentication from the customer's bank. The bank approves or declines, and the final status goes back through the gateway to the merchant. All this happens in just a few seconds.
What types of payment gateways can businesses choose from?
Great question. There are 4 main types. Hosted gateways like Square, easy to integrate, secure, but redirect users. Self-hosted gateways allow custom checkout on your site, but need PCI DSS and GDPR compliance. API-hosted gateways, ideal for simple checkouts, requiring secure API integrations. Local bank integrations, useful for region-specific businesses, but may depend heavily on bank tech and support.
Why should a business invest in integrating a payment gateway?
It offers huge advantages. Improves customer experience. Handles large transaction volumes efficiently. Simplifies refunds and claims. Attracts more merchants if you offer custom solutions. Saves development and maintenance costs via third-party solutions.
What are the biggest challenges businesses face during payment gateway integration?
Some major hurdles include handling niche industries with specific needs, ensuring platform and device compatibility, staying compliant with regional laws, preventing transaction failures during traffic spikes, keeping data secure across gateways.
How can a business choose the right payment gateway model?
It depends on your size and goals. Hosted gateways are great for small-scale operations. API or self-hosted gateways are better for enterprises handling high volume. Always factor in fees, long-term scalability, compliance, and multi-currency support.
Can you walk us through the steps of integrating a payment gateway into a website?
Sure, here's the step-by-step. Choose a gateway that aligns with your business model. Set up a merchant account, for example, on Stripe or PayPal. Use APIs for secure communication. Integrate via plugins, Shopify, WooCommerce, or manual coding. Test in sandbox mode, then go live after validation.
What about integrating payment gateways into mobile apps?
Mobile first is key today. The steps include: identify your business model and customer preferences. Select global or country-specific gateways like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Handle legal protocols like TIN, KYC, and tax compliance. Focus on securities, HTTPS, tokenization, and real-time tracking. Test in sandbox, then deploy and monitor regularly.
Can you share a real-life example of successful payment gateway integration?
Absolutely. Constant Info Solutions helped a client integrate Stripe for both iOS and Android, including Apple Pay support. They also specialize in integrating PayPal, Square, and platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, ensuring secure, scalable, and custom fintech solutions.
Lastly, how do businesses ensure payment gateway security?
These are non-negotiables. Tokenization to hide card data, and a PCI DSS certification, RSSL encryption, a 3D secure authentication. Security is still the biggest challenge, especially with evolving global regulations.
How much does payment gateway integration typically cost?
Costs vary by project complexity, platform, and provider. On average, it can range between $25,000 and $100,000 for complete development and integration.
𝐤𝐸𝐬𝐬, thank you so much for sharing your insights and all the valuable knowledge today. It's been incredibly helpful for anyone looking to navigate the world of payment gateway integration. Whether you run an e-commerce store or a fintech app, integrating a secure and scalable payment gateway is no longer optional. It's essential for growth, customer trust, and global reach.